Cek cek cek, halo semuanya, welcome. Kita tes notifikasi dulu.
10.000 dari tes. Pesan, ini hanya tes notifikasi.
Oke, aman ya, lancar, suara saya juga aman. Jadi kita mulai. Halo, welcome bro. Ibnu Tristan, Mika Marcelo, Busterfield Gaming, waalaikumsalam, halo bro. Imam Haromain, halo juga. Selamat bergabung semuanya. Dan ini dia, sayang banget ya kita gugur di... Oh wait, bagus nih saya jadiin... Oh, tadi news. Boleh jadi thumbnail cuy. Ya, jadi kita di episode sebelumnya udah gugur di Piala Indonesia ya, sayang banget kita di pertandingan pertama kalah dari PSS Sleman. Jadi kita bakal fokus di Liga 1 dan AFC Champions League. Sayang sekali, padahal saya pengen banget melanjutkan perjuangan di Piala Indonesia. Dan untuk di BRI Liga 1 sendiri sih terbilang cukup oke ya, 12 poin sekarang kita. Belum pernah kalah sama sekali. Dari 4 pertandingan 12 poin, kita menang terus ya 4 pertandingan. Dan belum ada imbang juga, jadi belum terkalahkan rekor PSM. Dan untuk pertandingan selanjutnya kita bakal berhadapan dengan Persik Kediri sama di Brawijaya. Abdurrahman kenapa nih pertandingan nasional ya? Oke. Yakob juga, waduh. Tidak, Erwin Gutawa masuk berarti. Bisa diganti. Oke, berarti kita atur di sini mungkin ya. Buat dulu Abdurrahman, kita ganti Erwin Gutawa. Ini saya bakal bawa center back lagi satu, Gitra Yuda. Kemudian di sini bentar. Sepertinya sticknya berulah lagi nih. Waduh, waduh, waduh. Mabok lagi. Oh ya, saya mesti reload dulu nih. Mabok pak sticknya pak. Aduh. Halo, welcome bro semuanya. Selamat bergabung. Nggak tahu apa bisa kayak gini. Masa dua-dua stick PS4 kayak gini? Sebelum-sebelumnya waktu kita pakai main PES aman-aman aja. Ya pernah sih juga ada masalah, cuman parah ini cuy. Oke, saya terpaksa harus pakai kabel. Kayaknya kalau pakai kabel, tahu nih gimana udah. Kalau pakai kabel ini nggak tahu kenapa kayak gini nih jadinya. Dia kayaknya kayak controller itu kayak dua yang connect. Kocak. Gimana ya ngaturnya nih? Atau nggak boleh pak? Coba saya cabut keyboardnya. For tetap aja sama aja dong. Gak ngaruh sih. Ya udah maghrib di sini bro. Nah kalau saya kick off dia kebacanya kayak gini nih. Dua controller. Padahal yang connect cuma satu nih. Dan kalaupun dua controller yang saya pakai, harusnya satu yang saya gerakin nggak mungkin gerakin dua-dua tuh. Saya pindahin ya. Aja cuy. Oh. Ini masalahnya nih. Jalan satu-satunya harus pakai Bluetooth. Kalau Bluetooth ini sih sering kayak tiba-tiba putus sendiri. Nah ini kalau pakai Bluetooth kayak gini, tapi ntar bisa-bisa di tengah pertandingan itu kadang-kadang putus sendiri cuy. Ini koneksi Bluetoothnya ada gangguan. Dia kelihatan tuh kalau misalnya dia kedap-kedip ya lampunya nih di sini. Itu biasanya ada gangguan tuh. Nah itu dia kadang-kadang jadi merah. Yakob nggak bisa main ya. Yanse aja kalau gitu. Erwin Gutawa, Zulkifli kita mainkan aja. Doli, Fikri Akbar, Yaska Fauzi. Ini saya bakal mainkan ini di Rian, Rashid Bakri, Aduh Hashim Kip. Naik. Kemudian juga si Arfan ya. Tetap kita bawa Azga. Jangan deh. Akbar dulu masukin. Asik. Biarin aja Hazik dulu. Jansen, Rizky Eka saya bakal mainkan Jansen di sisi kanan. Naikin siapa lagi nih? Udah bentar, Arfan udah 2. Oh ini mungkin ya di Zulkifli aja sih. Anjir stamina parah banget cuy. Aldi bisa ST kan? Wah, Ilhamudin bisa juga. Coba Ilhamudin aja. Hansen babak kedua lah ya. Ya kayak gini aja dulu sih. Sementara. Halo bro. Waduh. Ada bot. Kita ban aja dah. Oke, kita langsung aja play. Let's go. Waalaikumsalam Yovan Arya, Tegar Gesis, halo Imam, halo juga. Semangat bang, thank you. Ya, kita mulai. Brawijaya Stadium.
I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And what we have on the menu is live action from the Primera División. How do you see it panning out, Stuart?
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Well, a look at the form book tells us this ought not to be a contest. The hosts have the poorest attack in the league, their opponents the best.
Well, Derek, I'm not sure what their biggest problem will be today, scoring themselves or stopping the opposition. I think this is going to be a very difficult game.
Oke, ini dia. Oh, tinggi banget ya sih. Tuh. Bang, selamat sore menjelang malam. Welcome back, bro. Mas Zidan.
Well, this system gives them a good defensive base. A well-drilled back four, a solid midfield with wide players tucking in, and two forwards who can press the ball. But does it provide enough fluidity going forward?
Ini untuk line up dari Persik Kediri, cuy. 4-2-2 ya formasinya. Taruh untuk PSM sendiri starting line up-nya. Seperti biasa formasi 4-3-3 tag yang bakal kita pakai malam ini. Ini dia. Ilhamuddin, waduh. Oke, kita mulai nih. Babak pertama. Wah. Dirubah dulu nih, Pak. Ian. Ininya cuy. Scoreboard. Dirubah dulu. Oke. Pantotan. Doli. Fikri Akbar. Heads out. Ilham nggak real face? Kayaknya enggak sih. Selamat Agung. Asik. Hah? Wow, Hilmansyah, good save, gokil. Lihat bro, disundul sama pemain Persik. Tapi Hilmansyah dengan sigap masih melakukan save. Paris Aditama. Aduh. No. Kebobolan cuy. Bang nanti live Indonesia. Yoi, kita bakal watch along lagi Indonesia.
Well, let's take another
Tengah 8 ya ntar.
cleanly does he hit that. The keeper was never going to save it. What a
Bang kok
good
pelatih
goal that
nama
is.
Andi Ramang. Ya itu adalah salah satu legend PSM bro. Oke. Tinggal kita 1-0.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Plenty of options.
Aldi.
So a throw.
Emang sih nggak tuh. Teman kita nggak fit di pertandingan kali ini.
And space for the cross. Cuts it back.
Waduh.
Third block.
Kecil. Kulsom. Ilham astaga.
Spot on for that challenge. And the counter attack is on. Options available.
No.
Comes to nothing in the
Di bawah
end.
terus
Really
dong.
should have made more of that.
Bang Indonesia versus Singapura ya ntar setengah 8. Setengah 8 kan berarti di sini setengah 9 tuh. Setengah 9 Wita.
Not giving him a moment's peace. He's given us away. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. And nearly the ideal.
Walah.
But a good piece of defending.
Oh, berbahaya Ilmansyah, good save.
My goodness, that save.
Waduh.
Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. Can someone get on the end of this? They haven't overcome all the difficulties. Could be a
Ali.
chance to break here.
Masih Saldi. Good job, Yansi Sayuri.
Need to get tighter.
Oke, nice. Ilhamuddin.
Dangerous looking attack. It's good.
Masuk bro. Oh, let's go 1-1.
Penalty now. And who's to say what's going to
Yes.
happen next?
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
Ya sebentar, ya 20-30 berarti setengah 9 di sini waktu Indonesia Tengah. Mantap lah, kita lihat ya, mudah-mudahan timnas menang cuy. Prediksi saya sih timnas bisa menang 2-0. Prediksi saya ya. Terima kasih ya untuk Pasyal tadi udah perpanjang membership di pada saat saya lagi break. Nice, Doli. Ya, Mas Doli. Oh, Mas Doli. Osin coba di sana ada siapa? Oh, Wiljan tadi. Hampir saja. Nice. Saldi. Oh, 2-1 saudara-saudara. Let's go. Mas Saldi. Kita membalikan keadaan sekarang, bro.
Well, let's
Orang
see
mana
this
bang?
again.
Orang Makassar,
The
bro.
vision to play this through ball is superb, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets
Bang, gua
onto
mau
it,
sholat
he's
maghrib.
only
Silahkan,
got
silahkan ya.
position.
Di sini udah selesai karena saya waktu Indonesia Tengah. Jadi teman-teman yang waktu Indonesia Barat yang beragama Muslim silahkan sholat maghrib dulu. Nice bro, 2-1.
Ball is moving again. Anyone's guess
Balik
this is
sekarang.
gonna finish 2-1 currently. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here.
Agil.
A very good tackle.
Oke. Ilham.
And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here.
Nice. Ya offside dong, astaga.
Well, I must say it did look so promising, but the flag is raised. Offside the verdict, Stuart.
Well, he's just too eager there. It's the right run, but he's made it too early.
Tanto
So there
dia bawa
goes the
ke tang.
half-time whistle. It is an acceptable scoreline from the
Aduh.
point of view of the visitors. They find themselves on top, Stuart.
Yeah, we've highlighted their goal-scoring ability before the game, and it's been evident again today. They just create so many chances, but they'll probably need another just to make sure of the
Punya
win.
TikTok nggak bang? Nggak. Nggak punya saya. Belum download. Belum pernah bikin akun juga.
And the match is underway.
Bang, almarhum nenek saya juga dari Bugis, Makassar. Oh, oke. Dari Bugis ya.
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half.
Wah,
Well, they keep passing away.
chance.
Now they have the ball back. He continues his run. A
Coba.
chance to win it in.
Masuk tuh boy. Ois.
With the crossbar. And that
Iljan Huim nyaris saja. Sundulannya mengarah ke kiper sih ya. Bang, kenapa di Makassar jam 19? Ya karena memang beda waktu, bro. Karena Makassar Indonesia Tengah.
played over. A bit short with the clearance. Could be threatening.
Tanto Tan.
Fine stop. Behind for another corner. Can they cash in?
Tangan kaki kiri. Ya besok Witan. Karir. Bang, itu PS apa komputer? Komputer, bro.
And now the delivery. No nonsense clearance.
Oh my.
They've won back possession. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Can they take advantage of the situation?
Ahmad Agung.
He's got the right idea with that pass. Just couldn't capitalise there.
Duh.
Still behind, but the pressure mounting. This could
No.
equaliser.
Dua sama, bro.
And who's to say what's going to happen next?
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
So underway again, and it's a story of parity. 2 goals apiece in this one.
Dolly.
And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Oh, good play this. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. Options in the middle. Oh, moving it nicely.
Ilhamuddin.
Intervention.
Nah. Waduh. Gol ya doi.
Stunning scenes here.
Oke, senam dulu bang. Mantap. Bang main di laptop bisa kak? Ya, ini memang khusus di laptop nih untuk BR Liga 1-nya. Gak bisa main di konsol. Jadi kalau mau install BR Liga 1 itu harus mainnya di PC atau laptop. Gak bisa di PS5, PS4, Xbox nggak bisa. Oke, 3-2.
So getting their money's worth. 3-2 in
Sengit
this match.
sekali. Nah, Ilhamuddin.
Well, he likes to run at them.
Waduh, apa itu?
That is how to win the ball back from your opponent.
Pelanggaran cuy. Nanti dulu lah ya. Ganti si Ilhamuddin dulu dengan Jansen, kemudian Zulkifli bakal masuk ya. Ini juga Rahman kali. Gue cuy. Bang di rumah sama siapa aja? Sama banyak sih bro, sama keluarga semua. Orang tua, saudara. Banyak. Laptop apa bang yang bisa downloadnya? Ya, laptop kelas menengah lah ya. Yang punya RAM 8 GB, prosesor Core i3 generasi terbaru. Satu. Lebih bagus lagi kalau laptop gaming. No. Offset kan? Awal mulai nge-YouTube kapan bang? Awal mulai itu di bulan September 2019, 2 tahun yang lalu.
Successful intervention, winning the ball back. The delivery
Oke.
was a menacing attack, but tidied up.
Wait.
Really good high press. Good looking ball.
Cukup keras tadi
Unable to keep the ball that
budinya.
time.
Oke, Rahman. Ya mas, gas mas, terus mas. Ari, Rahman, ayo.
What can they do from here? Players waiting on the centre.
Crossing tapi sayang banget.
On the keeper. Poor cross. There's 10 minutes remaining here.
Faris Ritama.
Forward they go, chasing the game.
Yo, jangan sampai kita imbang,
But ultimately up
menang
until
kita
the
cuy.
and across the touchline, so a throw in here.
Wait. Bentar. Waduh. Sepertinya stick saya mabuk lagi. Oke. Bentar. Kita nyalain ulang lagi bluetoothnya. Ini putus koneksi nih kalau kayak gini. Bluetoothnya ini nggak benar nyambungnya. Sambung ulang cuy.
So making the substitution now.
Oke, pergantian pemain. Itu udah 3 ya ganti pemain ya? Oh,
Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it.
wah nyaris aja.
Here they come, still pressing for an equaliser. It's a neat move. And
Oh.
after the cross, a
Oh, ayo
tremendous
dong.
block.
Oke. Wah, tackle jangan. Nice.
It's a nice looking
Astaga,
ball.
terlalu cepetan
And regaining
Anda.
possession.
Jordan.
Quick
Waduh.
at pace. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages.
Oke, play. Kita. Oke. Abdurrahman. Nice.
On to
Tantutan. Good job. Nah. Yanse. Masuk bro. Oh, Yanse Zayuri mengakhiri sudah. Yes. Itu apa bang laptopnya? Saya Asus TUF A15. Bang, selain YouTube ada kerjaan lain kah? Ada. Tapi lagi libur
It's a lovely finish.
sekarang.
Just the right side of the post. Close, but good enough.
Tuh. Ya kalau kayak gini nih, ini koneksi Bluetoothnya nih lagi gak tersambung dengan baik nih. Bingung saya kenapa nih. Harusnya kalau normal itu dia biru terus nyala. Apa harus dideketin kayak gini nggak juga kan? Mungkin dah.
And so the final whistle here. The visitors.
Pangeran, waalaikumsalam. Bang, prediksi timnas Singapura.
I'm not surprised. Their ability to
2-0 bro
react
untuk
has been
timnas.
good all season, and today was no different.
Oke, itu dia tadi untuk pertandingan kita menghadapi Persik Kediri, cuy. Kita menang 4-2 dan 9 shot. Posisi juga kita unggul. Siapakah yang menjadi man of the match? Apakah Salga dulu ya? Wah. Dua gol. Wow. Dan untuk pertandingan selanjutnya kita main di AFC ya. Di Cina udah kelar. Saya coba cari mungkin di lagi nih. Kali ya. Nah. Kesempatan nih. Pas dendam di sini nih. Tapi Mumbai City. Kira dulu lah ya press conference-nya. Akankah Witan kembali mencetak gol atau justru pemain lain? Nggak tahu sih. Mungkin saatnya striker timnas nih yang bikin ketar-ketir kiper Singapura. Soalnya beberapa pertandingan terakhir sih kita melihat striker yang pure striker ya yang agak kurang berkontribusi nggak sih? Agak kurang greget justru dari pemain-pemain seperti sayap itu yang justru banyak menciptakan peluang, sama kayak ya contohnya dari wingback si Asnawi itu sering sekali Akan peluang-peluang. Oh, Egy siap main ntar ya? Gak tahu sih, saya belum baca beritanya tuh. Dan dia bermain kembali.
Okay, thank you. We'll be wrapping up now.
Oke, thank you. Dan kita langsung lanjut ke pertandingan selanjutnya. Ini kita pakai jersey merah aja. Nah, oh wait, kita atur kembali lagi dulu di squad. Kita balikin lagi kembali di sini, di sisi kanan si Eka, kemudian di sini. Nah, ini kita balikin lagi ke Jansen, Abdurrahman balik lagi. Nah, kita balik lagi si mana rakibek kita lagi nih? Si Hasim Kipu mana? Ini dia. Oh, Tarsi Kimki. Apa dia di center back aja ya? Tapi right back dia cepat juga sih sebenarnya. Ini si Kri Akbar, mending kita naikin Fauzi. Jakob juga. Farhan. Sidi Bakri. Starter utama. Ya kayak gini aja sih. Save. Dari Mumbai City. Di sini saya bakal turunkan dulu si Talga dulu. Mending saya bawa Fajar Handika dulu. Dan itu aja ya. Kemudian Rizky Eka, Jansen, Sutanto Tan. Play. Come on. Ya Ezra Dede kurang produktif. Iya sih, kurang ini strikernya. Bahkan si Ezra kemarin itu pemain pengganti yang diganti cuy. Pemain pengganti yang masuk tapi diganti juga. Bentar ya, saya minum dulu.
3 points will guarantee their place in the knockout stages. Stay tuned, it's live on EA TV. Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, ready to provide expert analysis. Alongside me is Stuart Robson. And what we've got coming up for you is group stage action from the Cup. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Well, Dirk, they come here in good form. If they can put in another solid performance today, it should guarantee their qualification to the knockout stages.
Well, he always has to be regarded as a dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, he's their leading goal scorer, mainly because of his movement, which is so clever. It's full of pace and it always threatens the back of defenders. And of course, he's a great finisher.
This is the lineup for the home team.
Well, it can be seen as a very defensive shape. But if they have good athletes in midfield, which they have, who are ready to break forward as soon as possession is won, they can still pose a big threat today.
Oke. Starting 11 dari PSM seperti biasa, Hilmansyah juga turun.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 with two out-and-out wingers, but they do vary their movement. They give width, but they also make diagonal runs infield when the ball's on the opposite flank. Their performances will be key today.
And they kick
Kita
off
mulai
here.
kick off babak pertama. Inman. Waduh.
A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. And now with Fernandes.
Wow, berbahaya Hilmansyah, untung aja di save.
There to deal with it.
Halo Manriman. Egi, kalau beneran Egi main ntar mudah-mudahan bisa,
Comes the corner.
aduh, mudah-mudahan bisa ini, bisa produktif juga,
Goal kick as a result.
nyetak gol lah.
Well, as we've already made note of, here is the scenario for the visitors on this occasion. Stuart, can they secure their place in the knockout stages?
Yeah, it's in their hands. They just need to hold their nerve here and get the job done.
Spot on with that tackle. Fall. Well, nicely cut out.
Bagus banget Ilhamuddin kawan. Ilhamuddin. Oh, kena tiang. Astaga, Ilhamuddin.
And Borges with it.
No.
Borges. Angulo. Well, the
Oh,
assistant
okay.
referee has raised his flag. Offside.
Baik.
Dangerous looking
Rahman.
attack. Shoots in the centre.
Tantotan.
It might be on for them.
Hansen. Dan Brim. Oh, robek pak. Tangannya memang mengerikan. Is, kapten kita cuy. Ocil, halo.
Well, as you can see, this is a wonderful strike. He makes the perfect connection, and he has so much pace on it. It's a great goal.
Oke, Wiljan mencetak gol. Good job.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score.
Under. Paul. Glorious.
Angulo. Pressure exerted,
Waduh.
but he keeps the ball. Excellent challenge. And with the goalkeeper.
Eka. Bakri.
And space to exploit maybe.
Eras Bakri. Posting coba. Ah.
Wasn't quite as good as it looked when it left the boot.
Ilhamuddin.
Well, that is how to run at defenders. Promising position this.
No.
6-foot defending inside the box.
Tanto.
Shooting the ball back.
Masuk. Masuk. Iya.
And the keeper hangs on at the second attempt.
Well, he's done really well, hasn't he? Great stop, and then the reaction.
Oh, nice ball over the top to chase.
Premier.
And played towards the near post. And the keeper was
Okay,
almost
Hilmansyah.
his job under no pressure. Opportunity in the wide area. Can he take advantage?
Masuk bro. Eka. Oke. Rizky Eka.
Much needed security.
Yes.
Well, here we can see it again.
2-0, bisa lah ini. Lolos sih kayaknya kita ya ke fase gugur. Pembeli kiper Dwi Kuswanto dan back betul Emerson dan Zainuri. Kita udah masukin di ini di transfer list untuk nama-nama yang bakal kita coba datangkan nanti.
So 2-0 now.
Mantap.
And Borges with it. Room to manoeuvre on the wing.
Bener?
Now he must favour the cross. It's opening up for them. Still looking to get the shot off. An alert piece of defending.
Oke.
There you can see it. The visitors haven't
Oke.
been able to control
Ilham
possession.
Udin.
But when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
Oh, big opportunity.
Oh, no. Rashid Bakri kehilangan bola, doi.
Angulo. Brad Inman.
Tebak skor. Kalau saya sih tebaknya 2-0. Timnas menang.
Looks promising. Dangerous looking attack.
Heads.
Very quick thinking there.
Oh, oke.
And there it is,
Babak
the
pertama.
half-time whistle. And the main thing is they're currently on course to book their place in the knockout stages today.
Well, it's job half done so far, Derek. Now they need to see out the next 45 minutes. Keep playing well, stay on the front foot, and they should go through.
As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far.
Rashid Bakri.
And now the second half is underway.
Rayuda, Hashim Kipu. Waduh. Inman.
Getting the ball forward. But quick
Hit.
thinking defensively.
Tantotan. Lebar sisi kanan ada Rizky Eka. Cepat sekali Rizky Eka. Kasih aja ke Jansen. 3-0 cuy. Let's go.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and the movement is so good that they end up with a 2v1 against the goalkeeper, who was completely exposed. Great play, but poor defending.
Ya silakan yang belum like videonya di like dulu ya. Bantu tembuskan 100 like, terima kasih. Dan jangan lupa kita lagi ngadain giveaway uang tunai 1 juta rupiah persembahan dari Mitra Asuransi dan juga Hermano Reki Putra. Siapa tahu aja kalian beruntung.
Wonderful challenge.
Jadi
And a throw-in
klik
coming up.
linknya biar kalian paham apa syaratnya. Dan tentu saja kita bakal on the way 30.000 subscribers. Ketika 30.000 subscribers sudah tercapai, kita bakal langsung adakan pengundian untuk pemenangnya. Akan kuis sih bisa di
Angulo.
mencari pemenangnya.
Fernandes.
Aduh. Main no 3-1.
Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect. And then just look at the finish, Derek. He reads the flight perfectly and absolutely smashes it beyond the goalkeeper. There's just no stopping that.
Damn. Kebobolan kita 3-1 tapi ya masih aman sih.
Well, the action continues. And no shortage of goals. 3-1
Tim.
as things stand.
Kenapa
That
passing
was a very
kencang
fine
amat dah. Tam.
Well, he's got plenty of space on the flank here. Crossing into the middle.
Walah.
Still dangerous.
Rogers.
This might be the perfect
Trainer.
counter-attacking opportunity. Good play it in.
Waduh.
However, a well thought out piece of defending. Delivery towards the back post. But it wasn't quite as good as it looked when it was played over.
Oke. Oke.
Beautifully.
Oke. Kapten. Oh, Willian, no. Hampir aja 4-1, bro. Sayang sekali. Masuk, boy. Boy. Oh,
Flinging himself at it, the keeper.
gagal, coy. Rumah saya akhirnya nggak sepi lagi, mas. Saudara saya mau datang, mantap. Berapa bersaudara, bro? Cuman 2 doang atau gimana? Ntar kita kapten kan. Perhatikan aja, cuy. Pian Firmansyah boleh Anda masuk dulu. Jansen juga mungkin kita ganti sama Yakob. Abdul Rahman. Oh, bentar. Aldi juga masuk dah. Aja Ilham. Eksekutor siapa nih? Yakob ya?
So the corner played into
Asik.
the box. Not all that convincing defensively. Can they do something positive on the counter attack? Well, players back in position now.
Trainer.
This looks promising out wide. Could be dangerous. Promising position these.
Ace.
Corner given.
Well, this has to be their way back into the game. The
Oh,
crowd
3,
certainly
oke.
playing their part.
Jadi dua-duanya itu nggak di rumah.
Now sending it in.
No. Panik si Asik tadi.
They'll get ready for the throw in. And they will make the change now. Space and time for the cross.
Wah, 3-2.
And with plenty of time still remaining, this game is very much back.
Bahaya ini. Saya epic comeback mereka.
Well, let's take another look. And wow, how cleanly does he hit that? The keeper was never going to save it. What a good goal that is.
Gawat.
Well, neutrals are getting
Waduh.
their money's worth. 3-2 in this match.
Tim. Bakri.
High press is very
Aduh.
much on. Angulo. Can they hit on the break?
Wah. No. Oke. Saldi, come on. Bro. 3 poin, bro. Tolong.
Well, almost there. The final whistle nearly upon us. Have they done enough
Tim.
to secure victory?
Ace.
Your take.
Well, what a
Astaga.
phenomenal here. Both Both sides have looked good going forward, but poor defensively. But I do think they have been the better side for much of the
Shit.
game. They just need to defend their points with determination in these last few minutes.
No. Waduh, bahaya sekali
Get
tadi, Bung.
that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
Tik. Eka. Tian. No.
In the right place to intercept. Message delivered from the referee.
Brengsek ini.
3 minutes on the board.
No. Berbahaya. Kartu kuning. Ah,
It was close. It was a decent
Jadi
effort.
Bakri.
Just need to keep plugging away now and
Udah
surely
kapan
the
nikah?
goal will come.
Gak tahu sih.
And now the play has stopped. The referee can
Lama
administer
kayaknya.
the booking. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture.
Yes, untung saja kita bisa bertahan sih. Kalau seandainya tadi lebih panjang waktunya ini bisa 3 sama. Aduh.
Yeah, you're absolutely right there. It's job half done at the moment. They'll still want to take that top spot though. It could make all the difference going into the next round.
Well, there's a sound reason why we're focusing on him. He's made his presence felt in attack, Stuart.
Well, it's a good performance. He worked hard, played well and scored a goal. And his team won. What more could you ask for?
Options in the centre. He might be on for them.
Oke, kita advance dan kita lihat ya 8 shot beda tipis sih. Kita kalah possession. Kalau on target mereka lebih unggul kayaknya ya. Lebih unggul. Oh enggak, on target kita 7. Save. 3 save ya, mereka 4 save. Man of the match siapakah? Anko Jansen. 2 gol 1 assist. Nah, mulai nih. Jansen tampil oke. Persipura imbang ya. Oke, kita sekarang di posisi berapa, bro? Wah, lawan Persib nih next match. Berat sekali. Wah, ini boleh nih 92 juga nih, Red. Man Indonesia. 885. Buang aja deh. Atau biarin aja ya, nanti kita buang aja kalau misalnya, rilis aja kalau misalnya ini. Oke, kita save dulu ya. Udah Isya di sini, saya mau sholat Isya dulu sekalian prepare untuk watch along timnas Indonesia. Jadi udah mau jam 8 kan di sini. Lagi pasti apa namanya, siap-siap timnas. Jadi ntar kita bakal lanjut lagi kalau timnas Indonesia udah mau main. Jadi saya beres-beres dulu sama siapin thumbnail juga untuk timnas Indonesia. Kita nonton nanti di sini bareng. Dan tapi saya nggak bakal liatin ini ya, saya nggak bakal liatin pertandingan timnas di layar. Kita nonton di perangkat masing-masing gitu loh. Oke? Nggak bisa di ban channel saya Pak kalau liatin kayak gitu. .30 bro. Whip waktu apa namanya, Indonesia Barat timnas. Oke, jadi tegas ntar ya. Cek cek cek. Oke, kita bakal lanjut lagi ya. Jadi kita bakal lanjut watch along timnas Indonesia versus Singapura cuy. Jadi ya belum mulai sih memang, tapi ya kita ini aja dulu apa namanya, nonton dulu untuk pembahasannya ya. Bentar. Ya, Indonesia versus Singapura nih. Oke. Oke, kita bakal restream ya.